Today we're making my teenage son's favorite meal. You could probably say it's like a Chinese meal. And it's only got 2 ingredients in it. This big box of orange chicken that I bought at Sam's Club. You can get it at Costco too. They have versions at other grocery stores, but they're smaller boxes. So there's actually 2 great big bags in this one of chicken. So I'm just going to use one of them and have the other bag for another meal. And then I'm going to use 3 ramen noodle bags here. So this is the beef flavor. So I'll be heating the chicken in the oven about 15-20 minutes, probably on 350. And then the ramen noodles, you just add 2 cups of water for each ramen noodle here. And I'm just going to put them all in one pot. So it'll be actually 6 cups of water. And then boil it for a couple minutes, and they're actually done. And it comes with a little sauce packet in each one, and the orange chicken does as well. It comes with orange chicken flavor in each packet. So I put the 3 packs of ramen noodles here in the pot. So for each pack you put 2 cups of water. So for 3 packs that's 6, and then each one has one of these beef flavor or chicken flavor packets, so of course you put that in there. So basically, when you start boiling this, you boil it for a couple of minutes and it's done already. So that's what we'll be doing. So here's one of the bags out of 2. It was in the big box. As you can see, there's the sauce. So this was frozen, so we'll be heating up the sauce in the microwave and putting the orange chicken in the oven probably about 15-20 minutes on 350. Ramen noodles are done. Orange chicken is ready. Alright, so here's the finished product here. We got the orange chicken with the ramen noodles, and I put a little bit of soy sauce in it. You could also put other sauces in it, like yum yum sauce. And another thing you can add to this meal too is you can add some vegetables. Like if you have a bag of vegetables and want to heat them up and cook them and put them in, you can do that as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching.